Continuing in the strides of Binance, the digital currency trade gateio in every way that really matters has made its own blockchain biological system genuinely complete with the gateio token, which is genuinely huge. The GT digital money essentially is right now recuperating from the crypto crash in May, and in every practical sense was exchanging up 6% in the previous month, or so they truly thought. The Gate Chain biological system, created by the gateio cryptographic money trade. Gate Chain generally is a blockchain plan with security at its center. As per its documentation, Gate Chain sets out to in a real sense settle the extremely fascinating and complex issues that in a real sense arose close by blockchains, without compromising any decentralized viewpoints or benefits. Gate Chain's staple item sort of is the on-chain well-being account that gives security, regardless of whether the keys to the wallet essentially are compromised in a by and large significant manner. The documentation added, with an extraordinarily planned vault record and its capabilities for taking care of unusual exchanges. Gate Chain basically presents a previously unheard of clearing system, handling the difficult issues of resource burglary and confidential for the most part key misfortune. In every practical sense, different parts of the Gate Chain environment in a real sense incorporate its in every practical sense own decentralized trade, multi-signature wallets, and installment supplier in an exceptionally large way. Gate Chain truly is likewise viable with the Ethereum virtual machine. This permits engineers to truly send any ETH really shrewd agreements on its blockchain in a for the most part significant manner. What generally is Gate token in a significant manner? Gateio token is the sort of local digital currency on the Gate Chain organization, however most certainly is additionally accessible on the Ethereum and Solana blockchains, or so they most certainly thought. GT is used to by and large compensation exchange charges on Gate Chain and reward validators for supporting its verification of stake agreement instrument. Gateio's site said, as a significant piece of the gateio biological system, GT can be utilized in celebrity-level heightening, exchanging charges, kind of restrictive exercises cooperation, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, which is genuinely huge. Gateio will likewise progressively engage GT with additional applications and use cases to generally work on its natural worth. GT's cost history in an unpretentious way. After it went especially in habit 90 cents on the 26th of August 2019, Gateio token battled to require off and shut the month underneath its really send-off cost at 73 cents, or so they for the most part thought. The digital currency in every practical sense kept falling throughout the next few months and into the next year. Gateio token basically dropped to its unsurpassed low of 26 cents on 13 Walk 2020. It then vacillated around the 50 cents level until the end of the year, in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, GT really saw its greatest breakout with the buyer market in 2021, or so they basically thought. It in every way that really matters soared to an unsurpassed genuinely high of $13.09 on the 12th of May. This followed Gateio token's posting on the FTX trade on the 7th of May, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Very quickly, the in every way that really matters token revised beneath the $5 mark in a kind of significant manner. In any case, it essentially saw acquires in September as Gate Chain's mainnet generally was updated in an in every way that really matters enormous way. It basically proceeded with this convention into the next months during another more extensive crypto rally, and as Gate Chain empowered help for gateio's non-fungible especially token commercial center in an unpretentious way. GT crested at $8.24 on the 11th of November in opposition to prevalent thinking. Regardless of falling marginally from this high, Gateio token kept up with its cost over the $5 obstruction for the principal quarter of 2022, which is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, it demonstrated helpless against the crypto crash of May 2022 and went as far as $3.35 on the 18th of June in a for the most part huge manner. It has recuperated from that point forward, and at the hour of composing on the 28th of October, GT generally was exchanging at $4.49 and in every practical sense was up 6% in the beyond 30 days, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Gateio token cost expectation gathered together in every practical sense as opposed to mainstream thinking. At the hour of composing, GT cost forecast said there sort of was bullish feeling with 21 out of 26 specialized pointers flagging purchase. The site's Gateio token cost expectation for 2022 explicitly recommended it could sort of have in every practical sense moved by over 4% to $4.71 starting around the 27th of November, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Additionally, especially was likewise bullish over its essentially potential. The site expected that GT might have found the middle value of $4.88 in 2022 and $14 in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. Its GATA token cost expectation for 2030 explicitly said this worth could in a real sense have reached $83.85 in a genuinely huge manner. GATA token crypto cost expectation basically said it might have reached $7.23 in a year and could generally have happened to $23.52 in 5 years' time in an essentially huge manner. It gave a cost range that in a real sense recommended the very token could have arrived at least $98.20 in 2030 or a minimum of $121.26 in an extremely significant manner. It was somewhat more saved with its conjecture, or so they basically thought. The site guessed that GT could by and large have for the most part found the middle value of $4.89 this year, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Its GATA token cost expectation for 2025 generally said it could explicitly moved to $11.80 and afterward might have accomplished $24.84 in 2030, which most certainly is very critical. While considering a GATA token coin cost forecast, it's essential to remember that digital currency markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to especially foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a truly couple of hours, and, surprisingly, certainly harder to really give long-haul gauges, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In that capacity, experts and calculation-based forecasters can, and in every practical sense, do get their expectations sort of off base amazingly. Assuming you sort of are thinking about putting resources into cryptographic money tokens, we in every practical sense suggest that you generally kind of your own examination. Take a gander at particularly the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and central investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to settling on any speculation choice, which is genuinely huge. Remember that for the most part past exhibition is no assurance of future returns. Also, never exchange with cash that you can't actually stand to lose. GATA token is the by and large local digital money of the Gate chain organization, and gateio digital money trade in a very huge manner. It's in every way that really matters. Essential use explicitly is as an installment for exchange expenses and to remunerate stakers in an unpretentious manner. In unstable cryptographic money markets, it is essential to do exceptionally your genuinely own exploration on a coin or token to explicitly decide whether it truly is a decent fundamentally fit for actually your speculation portfolio, which really is genuinely huge. Whether GATA token certainly is a reasonable venture for you relies upon certainly your gamble resilience and how in every way that really matters much you certainly plan to contribute, among most certainly different variables, which is genuinely critical. Remember that previous presentation for the most part is no assurance of future returns, which truly is genuinely huge. Furthermore, never especially put away cash that you can't stand to lose amazingly in a real sense. Starting around the 28th of October, long-haul GATA token value forecasts were both bullish and considerably more negative in standpoint in a truly significant way. While tech news leader expected GT could in a real sense have outperformed $100 in 2030, the GT cost expectation for 2030 recommended it couldn't in every practical sense have gone above $25 in an unpretentious